Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add voice changer in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, I have created a project in my Filmora application. And for example guys, I'm going to add voice changer or voice effect to this audio. I have added my audio to the timeline and I'm going to apply voice changer to this audio. We can click on the audio section like this until the audio is active. As you can see by the outline that the audio is active now, and we're going to go to the audio menu and then you can choose voice changer, and here you can either choose voice filter or voice corrector. Okay, and for me, I'm just going to choose voice corrector. Make sure you have good internet connection to download.
Hello guys, welcome back to
download the voice corrector. Before I apply it guys, I'm going to show you the original audio. Additional in today's video, this is my own voice and I'm going to apply the hacker voice corrector to the audio.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video,
Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply a voice changer in Filmora application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.